Hello, I'm Camilla, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a natural looking flower crown using lilacs from arena flowers and other spring blooms. For this you'll need some sharp scissors, floral wire and tape, ribbon and your blooms. Start by measuring around your head. Cut your wire to fit, leaving a little extra, and then twist it around firmly at both ends to form two loops. I like to double up my wire just to give it some extra strength and support. Now start to wrap your floral tape around the wire. You need to give it a little pull to release the glue. Keep going until you get all the way around. Next, gather your flowers and foliage and trim the stems to between 5 and 10 centimetres. Tie your thin floral wire around one of the loops. Lay on your first piece of foliage facing the loop and attach it with the wire, wrapping it round a few times. Now place your first lilac facing the front and again wrap the wire around the stem. Keep adding your foliage and blooms, overlapping slightly each time. Cut off any long stems as you go. Check to see if there are any gaps and fill them in. Give the stems a final trim. When you're happy with your floral crown, finish it with a long piece of velvet ribbon pulled through both loops. Now stand back and admire your beautiful and wild lilac crown.